guys, my name is Milad. I'm from Toronto, Canada. So I was originally referred over to from my brother who came to Hair of Istanbul just in December, and then this is February and I'm here right now. So I noticed that I'm losing some hair about like 4 years ago, and I noticed the front is starting to become a little bit more bald or losing some of the hair there, which I wasn't so happy about. So Hair of Istanbul has been absolutely wonderful. Like their service, the fact of the attention to detail is extremely precise. There's nothing that I can complain about. They are absolutely very, very top notch. Their team is extremely professional. As I said, they pay attention to every detail to make sure that you're well taken care of the entire way. My suggestion for anyone that's looking to get this procedure done, don't think about anyone else except Hair of Istanbul, because when you come here, you will understand for yourself why, and you will see the experience and the journey that they guide you through and the way that they help you through every step to make sure that you're well taken care of and that they give you the right directions to give you the ultimate best results is what I would do.